Sí.
Acá se pasó, yo un edificio y pasó un tipo tocando todas las puertas, teniendo seguro de vida. Y yo, no, ya yo tenía.
So we do this. Basically, I think this is what she did.
Chate.
Shate, yeah.
This is Adriana
Uh-huh.
on the camera. She's doing the experiment.
Yeah. So let's try with the one. Okay, I'm gonna take first the darker spots, and then at the end the ones that Shade took, so we can see if we can bring the hair lighter. I'm not a stylist. I'm just an experiment. What is it?
I think the paper should go the other way, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, but yes, but it also works in this way. But you're right. The thing with the
I mean,
brush.
the length.
Yeah. What we need to see is how the. Okay. Let's do it here. I want to bleach the whole wig. But this is better, so it's like this.
So this week is the one that Shade brought back.
Yes. So she bleached one time. She got a color 30. So we want to try with the BW3 to see if
Well, we certainly need a brush for this job.
yeah.
Gotta be a special brush for
Yes,
doing this,
of
right?
course.